For your mercy never fails me, and all my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. Every breath that I am able, I will sing all the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire, the darkest night. You're close like no other. Though it was a far